Hello watcher and subscribers. Here in this tutorial we are going to see how we can use Ubuntu online. What happen if you are learning Ubuntu commands or Ubuntu tutorial, then it's very difficult to do the practical session, because if you are doing practical for the Ubuntu, you needs Ubuntu operating system, and the installation of Ubuntu operating system is time consuming for you, because what happen in your laptop, if you have already Windows 10, then if suppose you are installing then Ubuntu, then you will have two operating systems. So when you boot your system, you have to select either Windows 10 or Ubuntu, and I will not suggest to anyone to go for Ubuntu installation if suppose you are learning Ubuntu commands only. Okay, so in place of installation, it's better if you use Ubuntu online. So if you are going to have Ubuntu online, then simply you go to Google Chrome or any browser, and there you just type Ubuntu online. So here I have type Ubuntu. Here I have to add online, Ubuntu online. Then here in the first link itself, it is showing Ubuntu free online Linux server. So I am clicking on that website, and here there is an option add to Chrome. So once we click on this option, then the extension will be added in my web browser. So now here I am clicking on there, and then I select add extension. So once I select the add extension, extension will be added. Then yes, I am in. So you do this all the settings, and you see here extension is added, so you just click there, and it is asking Ubuntu free online Linux server, so you just click there. So here you need a net connection also, because it is online, and here it is ready now, so you hit on enter button, and here you have to click on run Ubuntu. Once you click on run Ubuntu, it is opening a page, and there you have to click on start. So it will take a few minutes, maybe it depends on the net speed also, but once it is started, it's ready for the Linux command. You can use Linux. In this tutorial I am just showing you how to use Linux online. Then in the next tutorial we will see how you can perform the basic commands. So here now I again click on enter. So now it is taking some time. Now here the Ubuntu server is connected here, and you can have the Ubuntu commands here. So you see the interface is just same whatever I have shown you initially in this tutorial. So here you can observe there is a web browser, and here whatever the commands, whatever the interface of Ubuntu is there, same interface is there. Once I click on this icon, then here you can search terminal here. So here it's a terminal, and in this terminal you can type the command. So what commands are there and what commands are required, that we will see in the next tutorial. So now just now I close this terminal, and if you click on this here, you will be getting all the apps that is required by default in the Ubuntu. And here you can use the latest version of Ubuntu also. If you are using it online, you can use the updated version of Ubuntu. So this interface is very useful, dear student, and you can have the Ubuntu practical also. So here I am suggesting, in place of Ubuntu installation of operating system, you refer Ubuntu online for the command, and you practice Ubuntu properly, you will understand. So now the basic command and how to handle Ubuntu, that I will tell you in the next tutorial, otherwise this tutorial will be too long. So here I have finished this tutorial and I hope you understood how to install Ubuntu online. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.